After nearly 30 years, today jury selection began in the Kristin Smart murder trial. Paul Flores and his father Ruben were arrested last April and charged with the college student's death. Smart disappeared without a trace while walking back to her California dorm room in 1996. Her body still has never been found. NewsNation's Nancy Liu is live in Los Angeles. And Nancy, this trial is rare as there's almost no physical evidence linking these two men to Smart's death.
That's right, Nicole, and this case is notable because there is no body and high interest due to a podcast. 26 years after the disappearance of Kristin Smart, a classmate and his father are standing trial for her murder. For it, a change of venue and a strict gag order. Kristin Smart was 19 years old and a thriving Cal Poly student in 1996 when a classmate offered to walk her home from an off-campus party. No one has seen her since. Now that 45-year-old classmate, Paul Flores, is charged with her murder, and his 81-year-old father, Ruben, is accused of helping to hide and dispose of Smart's body, which has never been found. The arrest came last year following renewed interest and new leads in the case, raised by podcaster Chris Lambert and his popular true crime series, Your Own Backyard.
A strong suspicion that a human burial site existed underneath the deck of Ruben Flores' house.
Due to high interest and publicity in San Luis Obispo, a judge agreed to move the trial over 100 miles away to Monterey County, also imposing a strict gag order, which some claim is a clear violation of the First Amendment.
But this order sweeps even way beyond court staff and judicial personnel. It includes lawyers on both sides, people working for lawyers on both sides, even witnesses to the trial cannot go into court and then speak to the press about their own testimony.
The judge is also not allowing any audio or video of the trial. The popularity of the podcast is part of the defense, with claims that it set out to frame Flores, highlighting questionable behavior at Cal Poly.
We have an unsettling picture of Paul, an aggressively flirty guy who she has personally referred to as Chester the molester in the past, who forcefully tried to kiss her roommate months before.
Paul and Ruben Flores are being tried separately. This jury selection process getting underway today is expected to last a few weeks, with opening statements set to begin on July 6th. Nicole.
Yeah, a lot of interest in this trial, Nancy. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.